somebody wanted me to talk about how balloons make noises. They noise. Balloons. I don't know. I quite frankly don't really like balloons. Unless they're like the helium balloons. Then they're more fun. But I don't want the balloons you can blow into because, first of all, that's a lot of effort. I don't have the time to be blowing it into this contraption that involves my air that I need to breathe. Second of all, they make loud noises when you pop them. And it's scary as hell. And then when you rub them together, they first up your hair and then you go... Like, no. Listen, Balloon Betsy, I'm gonna need you to not make so much noise and not exist. I mean, they're fun for celebrations until you have kids throwing them around and then one accidentally pops them and you go, ah! And then everybody looking at the kid and the kid's going like, they don't know what they just did. It's a horrible mess. I'm telling you, if you go to a party, bring a helium balloon. Those shit is legit. They just make really weird noises all the time. Especially when you start to blow them up. They're just like, and it's like, no. I'm not a huge balloon fan. They taste weird too. And with that said, don't forget to smile and tell somebody you love them. Bye, friends.